we got for our viewers of this terror attack that has taken place. And in 60 minutes itself, and in Kashmir, one that was reported in Lal Chowk and other one that was reported from Shopian. Now, these are the first pictures that Republic TV is the only channel there, first channel rather, to get you all the details from what really happened at the attack site. Zeenat Zishan continues to be with us. Zeenat, first tell us about the attack that happened today. When we talk about specifically about Lal Chowk, it was in broad daylight when you had this grenade attack taking place. Take us through what exactly happened and till now what all developments have taken place.
See, Amita, the visuals that we are beaming are from the Lal Chowk as well as from the Shopian. If we take Shopian first, the militants have fired UBGL grenade towards the SOG camp in Ghagran area of Shopian. So far, no loss of life or damage to the property is from that very place. But simultaneously, we also witnessed another grenade attack near Ghantaghar area of Srinagar. The CRPF was targeted once again. And if you remember, last Saturday, around 7:15, the militants hurled grenade at the CRPF party near Ghantaghar. The same area yesterday also we have seen the militants targeted policemen on Zero Bridge area of Srinagar. In that, 4 policemen received their injuries. But this is all coming at a time when the state as well as the country is gearing up for the Republic Day, and the security arrangements that have been put in place seems that they are not working, as the militants are coming so near to the city center, and they are also able to carry their activities by targeting the security forces. This also raises a lot of questions towards the security arrangements, particularly in Srinagar city, where majority you have the VIP movements, you have the commercial markets are there, the busy places are being targeted by the militants. Though yesterday the Zero Bridge attack was claimed, the responsibility was claimed by the Jaish-e-Mohammed. So far, we are yet to receive any confirmation from the militant organization that who carried this very attack. But yes, they have to gear up the socks to control such kind of incidents in near future.
सुरक्षा बलों की तरफ से क्या कोई जानकारी मिल रही है? क्या आपकी बात हो पाई है? 26 जनवरी के पहले अब और क्या बंदोबस्त किए जाएंगे और किस तरह से सुरक्षा व्यवस्था को और कड़ा किया जाएगा ताकि इस तरह के वापस दोबारा और हमले ना हो? क्योंकि एक के बाद एक ये हम देख रहे हैं किस तरह से 3 हमले किए गए आतंकवादियों द्वारा।
देखिए, अभी तक जो है सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट्स को तो इंक्रीज किया गया है, चाहे वो नाका पार्टी हो या डिप्लॉयमेंट ग्राउंड पर हो, उसमें तो काफी ज्यादा बढ़ोतरी हुई है। लेकिन उसके बाद भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मिलिटेंट्स जो है अपना रास्ता जानते हैं कि कहां से आना है और कहां से निकल जाना है। वही कल भी हुआ है, वही आज भी हुआ। कल भी मिलिटेंट्स ने जब ग्रेनेड दावा पुलिस वालों पर, तो उसके बाद वो इजी एस्केप कर गए। और आज भी देखने को मिला, क्योंकि जिस जगह ग्रेनेड का हमला हुआ था वो एक बिजी मार्केट है, कमर्शियल एरिया है, और जब तक जहां प्रेस वाले भी पहुंच गए थे, लेकिन अभी तक सिक्योरिटी वाले कहीं नहीं थे। इससे ऐसा लगता है कि काफी चूक हुई है इस बार सिक्योरिटी सिनेरियो को लेकर, पर्टिकुलरली इन श्रीनगर सिटी। वी आर विटनेसिंग लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज सिंस 24 आवर्स। वी आर विटनेसिंग द सेकंड ग्रेनेड अटैक इन श्रीनगर सिटी, और इसी के साथ साथ अभी शोपियान में भी एक ग्रेनेड दावा गया। सिक्योरिटी फोर्स एसओजी कैंप पे हमला किया गया। हालांकि वहां तो कोई इंजरी या कोई ऐसी बात नहीं हुई, लेकिन ऐसा क्या हो रहा है कि कहां चूक हो रही है कि मिलिटेंट्स को मौका मिल रहा है सिटी में आने का, उसके बाद ग्रेनेड फेंकने का, और उसी तरह से टारगेट किया जा रहा है। जिस तरह से कैंप्स को, इस पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट को इस चीज में नजर मारनी पड़ेगी कि और किस तरह की सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट्स को इंक्रीज किया जा सकता है या चेंज किया जा, स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लान कैसे बदले जाएंगे ताकि इस तरह के वाकये आइंदा से ना हो सके।
क्योंकि क्या किसी तरह का कोई इंटेलिजेंस इनपुट मिल रहा है इस तरह की घटनाओं को लेकर? क्योंकि 26 जनवरी के पहले आमतौर पर ऐसी घटनाएं बढ़ती हैं, लेकिन इस बार ये एक के बाद एक जो घटनाएं हो रही हैं इसको लेकर क्या कोई इंटेलिजेंस इनपुट मिल रहा है कि किस तरह की रणनीति बना रहे हैं आतंकवादी?
See, as we talk about the inputs that are coming from the intelligence departments, the inputs are always there. Whenever there is an Independence Day or the Republic Day or any other such big activities takes place either in the districts or in the Srinagar state, definitely security forces will gear up with their machinery and men to control the activities from the militant side. But we have been seeing for the past couple of months now the way the neutralization of the militants is taking place in South as well as in North Kashmir, and also the warnings that are coming from the militant outfits that they will target, they will take revenge of the their men. So it seems that the warnings are really taking the shape of reality, and for which the Jammu and Kashmir police, along with the CRPF and the attack that has been carried in South Kashmir, army has to gear up in order to control such things in future.
All right, Zeenat, for the moment, thank you very much for getting us the details. So another attack that has taken place in the span of 24 hours, two of them today, 3 in total, especially that has taken place in the last 24 hours. The valley there on the highest alert, our security forces there on the highest alert, coming just days before when you have India celebrating the Republic Day. But this actually shows and proves the point how desperate and frustrated these terrorists are. For the moment, Zeenat, thank you very much.